Hi, I'm Dave, and I live here in San Juan Capistrano. We used to have a couple of large trees framing the either side of the driveway, and unfortunately the roots just got so large that they started cracking and pulling up the concrete to the point that it was very unsightly and needed to be replaced. Our selection of Pavescapes, we were very intrigued by the product and the ability to find the right color that worked with our existing home color palette. The process of not having to tear everything out speeded up the job and was more cost effective. We got several quotes from other companies and found this to be much more cost effective and less disruptive to the property. And there was the potential of breaking other things in order to get it out. So by going over the top with the 1-inch pavers, we were able to eliminate that problem and save money. Well, the construction went very smoothly. The foreman on the job was excellent. Had some great solutions to some of the challenges with all the curves and cuts that needed to be done, and ended up doing a beautiful job and kept the job site clean and moving along at a nice clip. My wife and I feel like it's really enhanced the beauty of the house and the property value, and we're just thrilled that both the front and the back patios were able to be done, and the fire pit and everything. It was a tremendous project and quite an enhancement to our property. I'd highly recommend Pavescapes. I think they are very professional and incredible job. They did what they said they were going to do when they said they were going to do it. There were no surprises, so it was a good experience. Thank you, Pavescapes. It was a wonderful job, and we really appreciate the great job you did for us.